Is this keyboard loud? There seems to be a big divide amongst different users. So let's stack this up against other common keyboards and see how it compares. This one is easier to press, but is noticeably louder. I have my own office at work and at home, so it's not a big problem for me. It's not super loud, but I would think like if you're sharing, like if my desk is right here and a person is sitting in a cubicle right next to me, this will probably bother them because it's a high enough of a pitch, it would disturb them. But in terms of feel, I think this is a very comfortable keyboard.